Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering how can you change your wallpaper in your Windows 11 laptop or PC, you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that and in different methods as well. So let's jump right into it. First, you can start by tapping or right clicking in an empty space. So I'm going to right click right here, and then I find personalize, this one right here. So I'm going to tap on personalize. And as you can see here, I can select themes or wallpapers. So I choose wallpaper here. So it's going to have this icon. And I can select one of these wallpapers, as you can see, guys. Now you have to have your Windows activated to use these features. But if you don't have it activated and you want to change your wallpaper, you can just find any picture that you want to use as a wallpaper. So let me go ahead and choose one of these. Let's say I want to have this one as a wallpaper. As you can see, you open the image and then you click on these three dots and then set as, hover around it and then choose background. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now if we quit, here you go guys, we have changed the wallpaper successfully. Now you can even do that without having to open the image. You can even right click on it and then you go ahead and yeah, you have to, I guess, open it. Sometimes I don't have to, but anyways, you can just open it, right, or click on those three dots, set as. You can even set it as a lock screen wallpaper basically, but you can even choose the background if this is what you came for. So that's it. As you can see guys, wallpaper changed successfully, and that's how you do it guys. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.